Here's how to convert a PNG file to a vector in Adobe Illustrator. Open Adobe Illustrator and open the target document by clicking Open. Next, click anywhere on the artboard. With the PNG selected, click Window and then Image Trace to open the Image Trace panel. In the Mode dropdown, choose Color if your image contains multiple colors. If you're converting a black and white image, you can leave the mode set to black and white. Click Trace and wait for Illustrator to process the image. The software will automatically create a trace version based on the settings you've selected. Once the tracing is complete, go to Object, Image, Trace, Expand. This converts the traced image into editable vector paths. If you want to edit the individual parts of the vector, select the image, right-click on it, and then select Ungroup All. You'll now be able to move, resize, or modify each shape independently, just like any other vector artwork. That's all for this video. Thanks.